Black holes. Just hearing that name sends shivers down your spine, right? Something mysterious, invisible, devouring everything. Sounds like a sci-fi movie villain. But what if I told you that black holes are real and that there are several of them out there, even relatively close to Earth? But don't worry, no need to run away. Today, we're going to understand once and for all what these cosmic creatures are, how they are born, what happens if we fall into one, and of course, whether we're in danger. So get comfortable, because this journey through the universe is going to blow your mind.
What is a black hole? Imagine a place in space where nothing escapes, not even light. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, that's a black hole, one of the greatest mysteries of the universe. And no, it's not the kind of hole you find on bumpy roads that turn your car into a rolling disaster. We're talking about something much more complex and, in a way, way more fascinating. A black hole is basically a region of space with such intense gravity that everything that gets too close is swallowed up. And believe me, no matter how fast you run, even light, normally zipping around at 300,000 kilometers per second, gets pulled in and vanishes. In other words, it has more power than that one friend who can devour an entire pizza in seconds.
Eu tô com fome, quer aumenta? Eu tô com fome.
Everything in a black hole revolves around a boundary called the event horizon. You know that point of no return where you say, if I go any further, there's no coming back. That's it. If you cross that line, you can scream for help all you want, but the black hole has already swallowed you, and all that's left is silence and darkness. And no, black holes aren't villains roaming the universe, gobbling up everything in sight. They stay quiet, doing their job in the depths of space. The famous Sagittarius A black hole, for example, sits peacefully at the center of our galaxy, like a cosmic monster with a belly full of stars, just waiting for an unlucky one to get too close. But if you think black holes are just bottomless pits of doom, think again. They're actually crucial for keeping galaxies in shape. You could say they act like the plumbers of the cosmos, preventing everything from falling apart. Silent, but essential. So next time someone says, oh, black holes are scary, just tell them they're actually pretty chill, just extremely mysterious. And honestly, who doesn't love a good cosmic mystery?
The birth of a black hole. Now that you know what black holes are, how about discovering where they come from? Get ready, because their origin is a true cosmic spectacle of destruction and mystery. Black holes are born when a poor supermassive star reaches the end of its life. No, it's not a peaceful death like a shooting star. This star has to be huge, immense, for the whole process to happen. Here's the basics. Stars spend their lives trying to balance two opposing forces. On one side, outward pressure, generated by nuclear reactions in their core, which make the star shine and remain stable. On the other side, gravity, which tries to make the star collapse under its own weight. When the star's fuel runs out, the nuclear pressure decreases and gravity starts to win the battle. If the star is big enough, it doesn't just fade away. No, it collapses, like a balloon suddenly deflating. When this happens, the star's core compresses so much that its density becomes infinite, creating the singularity, the central point of the black hole. Gravity becomes so intense in this region that everything around it, even light, gets sucked in. And just like that, poof, a black hole is born. There are also smaller black holes, called primordial black holes, which according to some theories may have formed right after the Big Bang, when the universe was still hot and dense. These primordial black holes are even more mysterious because no one knows exactly where they are or how they formed. They would be a kind of cosmic relic, a leftover from the birth of the universe. And of course, there's the famous black hole that sits at the center of almost every galaxy, including ours. Say, Sagittarius A, for example, has a mass more than 4 million times greater than our Sun. These types of black holes can form from mergers of smaller black holes or by accumulating massive amounts of matter. but the exact details of their formation are still one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in astrophysics. In short, black holes are not just cosmic monsters that swallow everything in sight. They are the result of some of the most powerful stellar catastrophes in the universe. And despite all their power, they are just one piece of the much larger puzzle that makes up the cosmos. The event horizon, the point of no return. Now that we understand how a black hole forms, we need to talk about one of its strangest parts, the event horizon. This is the invisible boundary around the black hole where the escape velocity, the speed needed to escape, is greater than the speed of light. Since nothing can travel faster than light, nothing escapes from there. Not even that overdue bill you forgot to pay. If you're on the outside, you can wave at the black hole and be fine. But if you cross the event horizon, game over. Anything that falls in is doomed to be pulled inside with no return. The spaghettification process. If you get too close to a black hole, gravitational forces will act differently on your body. The gravity at your feet would be much stronger than at your head, or vice versa, depending on your position. This difference in forces would stretch your body like a ball noodle. Yes, we're talking about spaghettification. To an outside observer, you would appear to freeze in time, moving slower and slower as you approach the event horizon. But for you, everything would happen instantly. In a matter of seconds, you'd be ripped apart by gravity and turned into elementary particles. Or, according to some theories, you might even end up in a large parallel universe. At least there's some comfort. You wouldn't feel a thing, because it would be over in an instant. The fabric of space-time and the distortion caused by a black hole. Now, things get even weirder. Black holes distort the fabric of space-time. Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that space and time are like a flexible fabric that can be deformed by massive objects. The more massive an object is, the more it bends this fabric. A black hole does this to an extreme, creating a gravitational well so deep that nothing can escape. If we imagine space-time as a trampoline, a normal star would be like a heavy ball pressing down a little. But a black hole would be like a bowling ball dropping through the trampoline, creating a hole so deep that nothing can climb back out. And here's the craziest part. Time slows down near a black hole. If you were orbiting a black hole for a while and then returned to Earth, you'd discover that much more time had passed here than for you. In other words, black holes are cosmic time machines. The closest black holes to Earth. If you think black holes are only far away, lost in the depths of the universe, get ready to be surprised. They are closer than you think, and some are so famous they even seem like characters from a sci-fi movie. Sagittarius A, located 26,000 light-years away in the center of our Milky Way. It's a supermassive black hole, 4 million times the mass of the Sun. M87 black hole, found in the M87 galaxy, 55 million light-years away. It was the first black hole ever photographed in 2019. This one is 6.5 billion times the mass of the Sun. A 0620-00, a stellar mass black hole, just 3,000 light-years from Earth. Though close, it poses no threat to us. Cygnus X1, located 6,000 light-years away in the Cygnus constellation. It was one of the first black holes ever discovered and emits intense X-rays. Primordial black holes. These remain a mystery. If they exist, they could be leftovers from the Big Bang, scattered throughout the universe, possibly even inside our own galaxy. So, black holes come in all sizes and distances, from supermassive monsters to tiny cosmic relics. And while scientists continue to study them, we keep looking up at the sky, wondering what other cosmic mysteries are still waiting to be discovered. Conclusion. Black holes are one of the most insane and mysterious phenomena in the universe. They are cosmic portals that devour matter, distort space-time, and defy physics itself. But despite their terrifying reputation, they are essential for the structure of the cosmos, helping scientists understand the universe better. Now tell me, if you had the chance to visit a black hole and return to tell the story, would you go? Or would you rather stay safe on your couch? Leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more mind-blowing space mysteries. See you next time. Hi.